Hi, my name is Xiangzi Li. I'm a PhD student at UT Dallas. I'm presenting CORWA, a citation-oriented related work annotation dataset, in AKBC SciNLP Workshop 2021. Our ultimate goal is to automatically generate related work sections given the rest of the paper and a list of reference papers. However, the task of automatic related work generation is challenging and not yet standardized. Most prior works only introduce their own ad hoc datasets as a byproduct of the modeling work. In this work, we collect a CORWA dataset, which is a dataset designed for related work generation. CORWA consists of 3 interrelated tasks: discourse tagging, citation type recognition, and citation type detection. We aim to extract citation sentences and distinguish different types of citations. We present a strong transformer-based baseline tagger to jointly perform 3 tasks of CORWA. Using this tagger, we can easily generate massive training data for related work generation from unlabeled texts. Furthermore, we demonstrate the significance of a CORWA dataset with analysis from multiple aspects. We also introduce CORWA's usage on multiple applications.